Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got some more mods that we're going to be adding to Project Blue Reaper. And one of the first things I noticed, and I knew this ahead of time, you know, before I purchased this unit, the visibility when you're backing up is not great.
No.
Okay. I mean, just the way you sit in there, it's like a cockpit style setting in there. And you really, I mean, you could see through the mirror here, but you really need side mirrors. And I think this is one of the parts that we can get away with not going OEM.
Yeah.
Because we looked on the website and they're like $200 for a mirror, for side mirrors. So obviously I was like, man, that's a lot of money for mirrors. And so we went ahead and we went on Amazon and we picked these up off of Anodizing Racing, and these are like $42. And they look just like the Can-Am mirrors. The only difference is it doesn't say Can-Am right here. And basically they're just going to bolt up on these two holes right here. Come over here and show it to them. And you can see they're just going to bolt right into there. And then you're going to be able to see the back. And I think maybe down the line we'll probably add a backup camera, I'm thinking. And I think that's going to help out a lot too. I've been researching some of that too. We don't know if we're going to get the wireless one or something we can wire up. But they make a couple different kinds. You can hook them onto your rear view mirror, or you can put something right here. But we haven't made up our mind on that yet. Also, we got these, now this we did go OEM. We got lower doors. So we're going to be doing this today too. And I could already tell that these are probably going to go on pretty nice. I already had one set of doors. This is our second set. And I tried to go with the cheap doors, and I just didn't like the way they fit. And so I sent those back, and we went ahead and got these OEM doors. And we're going to see how these line up and go from there. But that's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to go ahead and get everything set up, and then we'll show you how to do these two installs. I think these are, what? 5/32. 5/32 outlet. And these just go right in here. This is gonna be an easy job. All right. Let's see if we can start those. All right. What do you think?
It was easy.
The nice thing about these are breakaways. So if you hit something, it's not going to break it off.
Just gonna fold it in?
Yep, it's just going to fold right in. So if we're in a tight trail, you know, we can just fold those in and go from there. So that's one side. Man, it looks nice.
Looks just like the OEM.
Yeah. And then let's do this side real quick. The only thing is, and another reason why I went with the Amazon mirrors, I'm not sure if you can use these mirrors if you do a enclosure. So I didn't want to buy real expensive mirrors if I'm not going to be able to use them down the road. So I think you have to get the mirrors that come down here more for the enclosures. I'm not sure yet. go.
Ain't coming off.
And these adjust inside, I believe. Yep. That's a lot better. Yeah. Right there. And we got a lot more visibility now. I got 3 mirrors.
You'll be able to see the sides when you're backing up.
Right. I'll be
You
able to.
couldn't see them at all when you were backing up at all.
No, I'm kind of like going out, leaning out like that, trying to look. Now I can see. I just got to get used to them because the Ranger, they were down here more.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
They were a little bigger on the Ranger too. They're
Yeah.
like car mirrors.
Right, and they had the lights, but I didn't want to go that route for these. I just wanted to go something less expensive.
Simple, easy.
Right.
Don't do any wiring.
No, So I think that was a pretty easy, quick install. So I think next we'll do the doors. And then we'll probably do some type of time lapse like we did the last time. They're pretty self-explanatory. And then if we have to stop during the time lapse, we'll show you guys something.
Yeah.
But we'll go from there. Got this side all wrapped up. There we go. Wasn't bad at all. There were no instructions, of course. So we had to kind of like figure it out. We went to the website.
Website's down.
Yeah. So just kind of used our common sense and figured it out. And you guys can see we had to take off the old lower piece door. That's this one right here. Took that off. And then we just mounted it on here. There's 3 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. And then we did these last. And we just tightened it up. And we're gonna have to do something with this. This is, I know they sell levers that we can get.
Yeah.
Cause this is, I don't care for that too much, but. So that side's done. And we got one side left. As you guys can see right here. This is the piece that we have to take off. So you're going to put the long bolts here, and then the short bolt here. And this is like a little bevel plastic piece here. You're going to put that in between here. And it's slippery, but you got to kind of like hold on to it. There we go. And then you're going to put the nut. Comes with nylon locking nut. I usually like to try to get all of them on first before I start tightening. And same thing here. There's a long bolt. See how we did that? These plastic pieces, that's where these go. And you can see like the bevel right there to go on top of the pipe, the frame. There. And then this last one, what we're guessing, because we don't have the instructions, this goes on here like that, because you really can't get anything in there to, you know, tighten it. And then this is just going to go up in there after we get this plastic piece on first. You're just going to slide that in there. It's a little bit slippery. And try and line it up. Nope. I'm going to check it. And then, like I said, this one just has that nutted on already, so you don't have to hold the nut. That's nice. I wish they all came like that.
Yeah.
But we got those three on. Let's see. Make sure it lines and shuts before we go on. Oh, that's real nice. That one shuts real nice. So the only thing we got left is these three bottom right here. That should be it. Got these all tightened up. There we go. Check it out. What do you guys think?
2 successful installs in one day.
Right. This one. There we go. Shuts real nice and easy. How's that one? Good?
Good. Mirror's good.
Mirror's good.
Yep. Ain't gonna touch on this.
Lower door panel is good.
Uh-huh.
I think the next thing we need to get is the roof, windshield, and I don't know if I'm going to go with a net back here. They can't themselves like a net or a poly.
What I think would be cool, get a net right here, put a net here and net there. Make it
Yeah,
look,
that's a possibility.
Make it look more like it's for like Baja.
Yeah, Baja Racing.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I looked online. There wasn't too many videos. I know it's real simple, but there wasn't too many videos of showing how to install these lower door panels.
Yeah.
So we figured we'd put that one out there for you guys. Also, we wanted to let you know about the mirrors. You don't have to buy the $200 mirrors. You can get the $42.99 ones on Amazon. I'll put links in the description for all the parts that we used today. Please make sure you like and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Also follow us on Instagram. Check out our merch store. And with that said, see you on the next one.